Hey, to turn on or off the noise cancellation on the Redmi Buds 5, all you have to do is just to go into the Xiaomi earbuds application, then scroll down a little bit and pick noise cancellation. Now you can simply switch between the transparency and the noise cancellation mode, but to switch this mode, you will have to actually put earbuds into your ears because there's like wear detection. And next we can also do this for the second time, with the second method, by going to the gestures. And as you can see from here, we can find some gestures. So as default, when you press and hold the left or the right one, we can actually change between the noise cancellation mode and the transparency mode. So let me try to do this. Let's get, for example, this earbud. I'm gonna put the second one to my ear. There we go. As you can see now, the noise cancellation is turned on because I put the earbud to the ear. And now when I'm gonna click and hold right here, as you can see, we can successfully switch between the noise cancellation mode. So noise cancellation and the transparency. And that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.